All right, good morning. This is another job that we're doing. Uh, they came here and they tried to make a beautiful shower. All right, and some of these jets were actually eliminated. All right, they was actually thinking that the pipe was leaking behind the wall, so they eliminated some of them jets. They cut it from back here and did some eliminating. All right, and on top of that, they went and red guarded everything like crazy. One failure point that I'm seeing right away, I don't see a liner. There's no liner. They just simply red guarded everything and tried to do tile work, which was a complete fail. So we're gonna cut open the bottom portion in preparation for a liner, and at the same time we're gonna be doing our inspection to make sure that these jets ain't leaking. And I suspect it because there's one right there that's actually covered up, so we'll find out. All right, so here's the sign of leak right there. And you can see where all the wonder board has been soaking wet, penetrating, and water just been spewing down. All right. All right, so I just finished opening up this shower throughout to be able to assess to see what's going on. The more I open it, the more flaws I find onto here. One of the things that I'm seeing here, this is not shower liner material. If you really take a close look, you will actually see this is garbage bags. Here's the lining for the garbage bag, the seam I mean to say. See it? That's garbage bags. And then they went ahead and put screws right on the top. So anything as far as water base that comes up here, it's got potential running through and leaking. The other thing they did, they didn't follow the liner coming all the way throughout. As you can see, there's no liner, none whatsoever. So water was getting down through here. You see the watermarks and dripping downstairs. Back here it's the same thing. All right, so we'll just finish pulling all this up and redo it. As you can see, there's tiles behind here, and it was actually leaking. So they just went ahead and put thin set. Then they went ahead and put red guard. Here's your thin set behind you. Unbelievable. All right, here we managed to pull up everything. And what you're seeing here, this is the brand new liner. This is a 30 mil liner, which is very thick compared to trash bags. Trash bag, the thickest trash bags you'll get is a 10 mil. So this is really, really thick. All right, as you can see, it's right here. It's a little bit, it's almost about maybe 3/16. All right, it's pretty thick. So now we're gonna turn around and cut our flange. All right, and normally what I would do, I will cut across, and then after the cross, I'll put the snap ring on there, so that way the liner is on the inside. And as you can see here on the flange, you will see a V cut between the threads, and that's to allow the water that seeps on to this liner here to be able to drain out onto the sewer. All right, so that's about it with this part here. I'm gonna be casting the bed shortly. Alright, so here's what we managed to do. If you take a quick look right here, you're going to see this light shade area. That's a pitch that I just made. Same thing over here. Alright, so it's actually at the back, it's 1.25 inches high. And it runs all the way down to 3/4. So we have 1/4 inch per foot. So I know for a fact the water will drain out. Okay, and then I have another pitch from here and there. So all of this is actually draining on this side, and same thing here. If you take a look, you will see where I have a pitch. So this way all the water is going directly onto the drain. And then at the same token, we managed to put in our liner. All right, you can see it right here from the back. This red membrane is the liner. And then I put the hardy boy to lock it all in. Tomorrow we will turn around and thin set all these seams that's in here. All right, we will thin set all them nail holes and everything. And then we'll apply the red guard and it's ready for tiles. Same way here with this curb. We're going to thin set it. Alright, I already used some of this bed topping mix to turn around and fill up my voids. And we had to double up because we had a marble that was up here. So in order for me to come out flush without cutting this here, this is what I did. I doubled this and now my tiles could come directly onto the existing. Alright, so that will tie up for the day. And tomorrow we will finish up with the rest. Thank you for watching.